Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Fine Scriptures, all right? It's also available at St. Catholic Church Room. You can also find it at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. Dalo. Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Today, the 17th day of May 2024. The time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. Today, the Friday. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us.
Do you know that you have the right to quit broadcasting? The National Broadcasting Commission says any person, group of persons, or organization agrees by content of the broadcast or the conduct of the broadcast station may lodge a complaint to the station and all right to the Director General, National Broadcasting Commission, number 20, Ibrahim Tariq Street, Asoko, Abuja, or send a mail via info at nbc.gov.ng. Please ensure that the complaint includes name of the broadcast station, title of the program, the date and time of broadcast, and essence of the complaint. Also, remember to include your name, address, telephone number, email, and a name with signature. Note that the complaint also reach NBC within 14 days of the 12 broadcast. NBC, your right to quality broadcast.
You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Punch, Sun, Daily Post, The Nation. This day, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at the Nigerian Tribune. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 96661035. You can as well join us on Facebook as we are live at Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Drop your comments on the comment section of the live video. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Group urges Sanwo-Olu to approve waterfront ministry's activities. We are liberated. Detractors are now victims of their ploys, Fubara tells IYC. Mobad Foundation offers a 50 million naira reward for information on late singer's killers. Conference of Speakers endorses state police. 15-year-old boy needs 1.16 million naira for cancer treatment. Military troops kill 227 terrorists, apprehend 529. Legacy of waste, abandoned projects dot west, southwest amid push of scarce resources to new ones. Legacy of waste, abandoned projects dot southwest amid push of scarce resources to new ones. Still on the stories making the headlines on the Guardian newspaper this morning. Kanu CJ reassigns Ganduje's case. Boy Shies Day, stakeholders champions boys' health, well-being. FAAC disburses 1.2 trillion naira revenue to federal government. States cancels for April. Rising cost of drugs worsens steep rise in hypertension cases. Victoria Island Council boss pledges support for indigent traders. Super Eagles talk tough on victory against South Africa. Benin. Police nab Cameroonian 2 Nigerians for kidnapping in Delta. Evans opts for plea bargain on murder kidnapping charge. Family laments death of 41-year-old mother of 6 in Enugu crossfire. Pandemonium as ceilings collapses, injures Obafemi Awolowo University student. Edo, Ondo polls stop abuse by governors. INEC tells security agencies there is transparency in Tinubu's financial dealings. Chetima affirms. Court grants injunction stopping planned marriage of 100 orphans in Niger. Olopa lists ways to reform civil service. Abo stakeholders caution Akpabio over comments on MFL. Terrorism. Nigeria needs partnership, not handouts of federal government to US. Emirates Airline to resume operations in Nigeria October 4th. Democracy Day, Obasanjo, Muhammad, Walker to discuss coups in Africa. Organ harvesting case. Human Rights Writers Association decries alleged bias reporting, calls for objectivity, fair trial. NLC, TUC boycott negotiations as federal government promises to shift ground. House asks presidency to suspend GM crops introduction. IYC seeks national honor for Isaac Boro. So, people want to talk here for this morning. Thank you. Dalo.